I'm actually at the steps of the western side of the Capitol in Washington, D.C. with my good friend from the West Coast. Craig, welcome, man, to the show.
Hey, man, it's a pleasure to be here with you.
Man, what we got going on today?
Well, we're here for the 2A Rights Rally here in Washington, D.C. We're on the West Capitol lawn. As you can see, there's a building right there behind us. Folks are just now getting together. They're just now gathering. And I think it's going to be a fun day.
Absolutely, man. Tell me about your show and what you do.
All right. Well, I work with a group called the Firearms Policy Coalition. We are a Second Amendment civil rights advocacy group. We have lobbying efforts in California, Oregon, Washington, Nevada, as well as Washington, D.C. I specifically lobby in California, Nevada, and D.C. I also host for them a program called Morning Coffee with Craig. It's on every weekday morning at about 9 a.m. And we talk about Second Amendment rights, Second Amendment issues, what's going on all across the country. You can find it on YouTube and Facebook.
Man, welcome to the city, and thanks for being here.
Pleasure to be here. Thanks for having me.
I'm gonna make you the star of the show here. I got a guy that is amazing, and in case you don't know, tell me your story, brother.
Parkinsons shooter on Instagram, Shaky Dave by a lot of people call me that. I have Parkinson's, and basically I shoot competitions and do gun therapy just to relieve the shakes. So raise my dopamine levels, and everything goes away. Parkinson's goes away when I'm shooting a gun. Obviously, when I'm not holding a gun, it's a little bit unstable. So.
But Dave, you're a walking miracle, man. I mean, you're an inspiration. I mean, people don't know.
It's the good of guns, you know. They cure as well as do other things. So
yeah.
But I use them to cure myself. So.
I'm a fan. We're backwards in the sun, but I got Dave with me, and man, it's just a pleasure to be here with you.
I appreciate you. Good times.
Yeah, man.
2A.
2A all the way. All right.
That's right.
Thanks, man.